So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy fractional shares of Bitcoin here on Questrade on the Questrade desktop version. So once the Questrade app is opened up on your device, your computer, your laptop, whatever, I want you to go to this top bar and type in Bitcoin. Bitcoin just like this. Now, you can't actually purchase Bitcoin itself through Questrade, but what you can purchase are ETFs that track the Bitcoin index. So, for example, there's a bunch of different ticker symbols down here. You can go ahead, of course, and review and do your research. This, of course, is not financial advice by any stretch. I'm just showing you guys how you guys can invest in Bitcoin through fractional shares. So, for example, ticker symbol IBIT, the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. If you were to go ahead and press on this, fractional shares actually is available. So once that is done, go to the right side, press on the green buy button. Make sure that market order is selected. Type in the amount. So if you wanted to purchase $5 worth of this Bitcoin ETF, the quantity would be 0.0941. Press on the green review order button and then proceed this way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to buy fractional shares of Bitcoin here on the Questrade desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.